Okay, so this background page is Pink Fresh Studio Escape the Ordinary called Chase. I'm using the October kit, except for that aqua and or teal and white stripe. That is from my stash. That one is Dear Lizzie. I'm trying to adjust my camera here. So I'm going to ink the edge using a Distress Oxide that came in one of the kits. I usually get the main kit, the embellishment add-on, and then I was getting the Project Life add-on, but then I thought, the Project Life cards, I end up just accumulating them. Granted, yeah, I do use them on my layouts quite a bit, but not lately. So, or I do, but not as much. I accumulate them quicker than I use them. So I decided to not get the Project Life add-on, but turn around and get the cardstock add-on, which is cheaper anyway. So, and they had these Tim Holtz Distress Oxides in the color add-ons. So I thought, well, let me get those as long as they have the distress inks. Why not? So I did. I purchased the November, December, January, the February color add-on, which came with mist, a stencil, and then some texture paste, yellow texture paste. It didn't come with the stamps, but I decided that I would get it anyway. So here's where I'm going to do some stenciling. And my niece, who's 2, she'll be 3 in May. Is it May? April? Yeah, May. She's at her sister's softball game and she's crying, and I'm not sure why. So that movie, for some reason, Tom Hanks, it escapes me as to what that movie is, where he says, "There's no crying in baseball." Yeah. So that's what I cried. But is what I titled it. Yeah. So Mateo went with his mom to New York for her dad's wedding. So Alex had to work all weekend, and because of the double shifts, he's staying at the hotel he works at. So I am spend Friday, Saturday, and today, and I'll be here. Well, I work tomorrow, but I have school tomorrow, but I'll be here all night by myself. So it's been a nice little break. Lots of me time. Definitely ready for them to come back because I miss them, but I got my lesson plans all done for tomorrow, 100% done, which the last 2 weeks I've kind of slumped. I knew what I was doing, so in my head I knew what I was doing. I had the stuff, I just didn't type it up. So anyway, and then I'm catching up on my process videos because I have 11 that I need to do. Spring break's next week, and I was gonna do these then, but I'll do them now since I can get to them. So I'm still doing some inking. Okay, so here we go. The embellishments. Oh yeah, the kite layer is Making Home's Carousel, and that was from the September kit. And I went from, excuse me, I am so sorry. I went from October to December because November is more winter themed, and of course, we don't really have a winter in Florida, so my sister takes a few pictures of the kids in the snow, so I'm trying to find pictures that I haven't scrapbooked, even if the kids were much younger, before Jada was even born. So I do have some winter pictures of Jada in her snow for the first time when she was a year old. And so I'm just trying to compile pictures, and then I can use Christmas pictures from last year and this year with Mateo and Alex too. So I'm getting there where I can use, because I have the November 2016 and November 2017 kit to use. But anyway, the 123 chipboard stickers and the high is from Maggie Holmes Notes and Things, which is an older kit, which is an older chipboard stickers from past kits. The die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio from the die cut pack. There are some other chipboard stickers, which are, I should say the other chipboard stickers are Pink Fresh Studio. And then I use There and Crying is American Crafts Magic Sticker. Is and In is Dear Lizzie Soar Stickers. No is Hip Kit Alpha Stickers. And Baseball is Dear Lizzie Pedal Stickers. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.